Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. August 10, 1737 America, New York. Bloomberg report on $600 million cryptocurrency theft, biggest ever, DeFi looting. Bloomberg report on a hack of a protocol known as Poly network that has resulted in the theft of circa $600 million United States dollars in crypto. What is likely the biggest theft ever in the world of decentralized finance.
BBC News Business. August 10, 1728 America, New York. Hackers steal $600 million in major cryptocurrency heist. Thousands of digital tokens have been stolen by hackers in one of the largest cryptocurrency heists.
Forex Live. August 10, 1720 America, New York. Australian monthly consumer sentiment data due today. Downside risks. Westpac's brief preview of their data to be released during the session in APC today. 0030 G.M.T. Australia. Westpac monthly consumer confidence. For August comments in brief from WPAC, noting lockdown in 3 states during the survey period.
New York Times Business. August 10, 1715 America, New York, on CNN, covering one Cuomo while another is on vacation. Chris Cuomo, who is off this week, has conferred with his brother, Governor Andrew Cuomo, by telephone over the past few days. CNN has barred Chris Cuomo from engaging in strategy sessions with the governor's aides. New York Times Business. August 10, 1713 America, New York, West Side Story, which won't reopen, will return $10 million grant. The Broadway revival received federal aid through the Shuttered Venue Operators Grant Program. But the show decided not to reopen, and said it would return the money. West Side Story, which opened weeks before the pandemic shut Broadway down, was approved for $10 million in federal aid.
Forex Live. August 10, 1701 America, New York. Fed's Evans. Would like to see a few more jobs reports before taper decision. Evans speaks in virtual conversation with members of the media. Says a difference of a month or two on taper timeline won't matter. U.S. economic outlook continues to be strong but some uncertainty remains.
BBC News Business. August 10, 1658 America, New York. Amazon to pay out over defective third-party goods. The shopping giant will compensate customers who are harmed by defective goods sold in the U.S.
Forex Live. August 10, 1650 America, New York. Trade Ideas Thread. Wednesday the 11th of August 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so. Forex Live. August 10, 1632 America, New York. Private oil survey data shows draw in headline in crude oil inventory. The inventory data from the private survey is out now. Official data follows Wednesday morning, U.S. time. The draw is a little smaller than what I had seen as the central expectation of minus 14.3 meters BBLS. Forex Live. August 10, 1619 America, New York. Dow and S&P close at record highs. Nasdaq closes lower. The Dow and S&P both closed at record levels in trading today, with the Dow Industrial Average leading the way with a 0.46% gain. The S&P squeaked out a new high, closing above the high close from August 6 at 4,436.51. Forex Live. August 10, 1616 America, New York. Forex Live. America's FX News Wrap. Senate passes U.S. infrastructure bill. Forex news for North American trade on August 10, 2021. Markets. Gold down $1 to $1,728 U.S. 10-year yields up 3 bits per second to 1.347%. S&P 500 up 2 points to 4,434. Forex Live. August 10, 1609 America, New York. In the Coinbase Q2 report this snippet. Ethereum trading volumes surpassed Bitcoin in Q2. Coinbase Q2 results showed our revenue at $2.23 billion, versus $1.77 billion est. The ETH blockchain is making waves as being more useful and likely to be more widely adopted than BTCs. Forex Live. August 10, 1607 America, New York. GBP USD and EUR USD. Have they reached their downside targets? Is the low in place? What levels are in play for the EUR USD and the GBP USD? Are the bottoms in place? The GBP/USD and the EUR/USD both nearly reached some key downside targets. For the EUR/USD, the pair got within 4 to 5 pips of the 2021 low for the year and has bounced modestly. Forex Live, August 10, 16:05 America, New York. Here is what's on the economic calendar in Asia today, Wednesday the 11th of August 2021. A light docket ahead. 2,350 GMT Japan money stock for 70030 GMT Australia. Westpac monthly consumer confidence, for August, prior plus 1.5% meter per meter.
Daily FX market news. August 10, 1600 America, New York, USD, JPY outlook. Dollar rally to face slowing US inflation. Fresh data prints coming out of the US may rattle the recent advance in USD, JPY as inflation is expected to slow for the first time in 2021. Daily FX market news. August 10, 1600 America, New York, Mexican peso outlook. US inflation data could lift yields and amp the USD, MXN. The USD, MXN recent rebound could gain momentum if July's US inflation data surprises to the upside and brings forward Fed tightening expectations.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 10, 1549 America, New York, BitMEX to pay $100 million to settle lawsuit. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission had sued the cryptocurrency exchange over its derivatives offerings.
Forex Live, August 10, 1540 America, New York. EUR CHF towards 1.10 as CHF set to lag G10FX, BOFA. EUR CHF up 14 pips to 1.0816 today for Bank Trade Ideas. Bank of America Global Research discusses CHF outlook and while lower CHF versus USD and high beta FX remains our preferred expression, EUR CHF is also showing signs of. Forex Live, August 10, 1502 America, New York, still waiting on comments from Evans. Nothing on the wires so far. Today's event with Evans was billed as a virtual on-the-record conversation on the economy with members of the media. At times, members of the media agree to publish their comments at the same time.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 10, 1500 America, New York, Biden to nominate Maria Pagan as U.S. envoy to WTO. The administration is also expected to name Christopher Wilson, another veteran of the Office of the U.S. Trade Representative, as the agency's chief negotiator for innovation and intellectual property.